we're going to discuss how to create a custom audience focusing on videos. If you have, let's say, a music video out and you want to target people who have watched at least 50% of your video, you're able to do that using Facebook and Instagram ads. Right now, we are on Facebook Ads Manager. Go to the top left-hand corner and then go to Audiences. Here, you are able to create a custom audience. Go to Video. And then you're going to choose the type of engagement you want to target. So we have several options here. We have people who viewed at least 3 seconds of your video, at least 10 seconds of your video, at least 15 seconds of your video, and then it increases higher. We have people who have watched at least 25% of your video, 50% of your video, 75% of your video, and 95% of your video. In this example, we're going to choose 50%. So whoever watched at least 50% of your promotional video, they are going to be targeted. Here you choose a video. And then press confirm. Whoever watched 50% of the video I have chosen, Facebook and Instagram is going to target them. We're going to leave it at 365. And then here you're going to name your audience. Click on Create Audience. I'm not going to create the audience here, but I will show you where you would use this information.